Whenever my parents met someone new or some of their friends, their first thing is that you greet, say hello, say hi. But then they used to start, hello, this is our daughter, she has represented India. So they were the proudest of all. Gymnastics is not a very famous game in India like cricket. So we don't get 100% medical facilities. Like every team must have a medical health professional, must have a physio, must have a all the medical requirements. But in India, gymnastics, and there are few other sports too which we haven't even heard, so they are also playing, they are also participating at some level to, they are also representing our country, but then they are not getting the 100% requirements. We also get injured. In fact, our game is the most dangerous sports, like we can say. If we injure ourselves, that can be to a serious extent. Gymnastics is a sports which is reliable on age of the person. We cannot say this 100%, but yeah, to some extent it is reliable on the age. So I was growing old, so there was one point, and even the scene of politics in my game is a bit more than maybe in the other games. So there was one point where I had to decide if to continue gymnastics or if to change the direction and go for physiotherapy. So I had seen that some other sports has a physio, but gymnastics has no physio, no one is accompanying them, and a sports like gymnastics is the sports which has highest amount of injuries. So at that point I decided that I will be a physio and I will help my sports to grow up. That is a huge change, because you cannot continue with the game also, because when you grow up the responsibilities on you also start increasing, because you might have to help your family, someone might be the sole earner in the family. That might be difficult for some players to choose what to pursue, if to continue with the game or if to change the direction and get settled, because in India a person cannot pursue his career in sports, because still sports is developing in our country, it is not yet developed. Many players might not be even knowing that there is some kind of insurance related to sports. So no one doesn't know anything about this sports insurance or insurance related to sports. So no, basic insurance, yes, medical insurance, health insurance, everyone knows about it, and some of them might be having it, but sports insurance, no. Actually that should be a very important part in the game, what I feel. Like I said, there must be a physio, there must be a sports medicine doctor. Likewise, there should be a person, the person should invest money in insurance, because yeah, so, as I said earlier, that some players might be there who are the sole earner of the family, and if they get injured or if they injure themselves, then who will earn money for his or her family? So that must be a important part in the field of sports. There should be some investment plans which are favorable for the players, so that they can invest the money, they can secure their money, and you can also like maybe if you invest money, you are getting some interest on that, and then on that interest you can continue with your game, or if you need to buy or if you need to pay money, then you have money also for your sports, and you also have money to help your family out of some problems, or maybe some help to the family. So there must be some investment plan where both of them are getting some profit. If I had given a chance, then yes, I would continue with my sports, I would have continued. If at all the politics was less, or maybe I have got the facilities, I'm not saying that I should get all the facilities which the players outside India get, at least some of that if I would have got, then I would have definitely continued with my sports.